All right, so what's your name?
I'm Oliver.
Okay, what is your year in school?
I'm a freshman in mechanical engineering.
Perfect. What do you consider your gender and ethnicity?
I identify as white and I'm a boy.
Okay.
I'm a boy. Not
Male.
a man, I'm a boy.
Okay.
Sorry, not on video.
What spaces in the makerspace have you used today? Is this the only one?
Yeah, so I've used the 3D printers and some of the tools from the shop.
Okay, so you've been in those the shop area too?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then have you used any of the other spaces in the past?
Yeah, I've used a laser cutter a couple times.
Okay.
For some wood.
Awesome. And then, do you have any likes or dislikes about the spaces you've used?
Yeah, I really like how. Are you looking for me to find something that we could improve?
Well, that or things that you think are good the way they are too.
Okay. I think it's great how many printers there are here, and it's really nice how the computer network's set up to make that really efficient for.
Better say something nice about us.
Yeah, and the staff is really nice.
They clearly
they're
work really
helpful.
hard.
Even when they're off staff, they still hang around
Awesome.
and answer questions, so that's pretty cool.
Great. And then anything that you think could be improved about any of the spaces or all of them?
I don't want to upset them.
No,
Uh,
they don't care. They don't get paid enough to
no.
care about this.
no, I'm
Yeah.
kidding.
I'll ask them too in a second.
I guess it would be cool if maybe. I don't really know. Do you guys have anything?
Has
after
there
being
been,
here all the time? I can't really think of anything.
Any difficulties with documentation, finding out how to do things?
We have difficulties with. Wait, so this is recorded, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use the video. I'm just gonna use audio
Oh.
and make a transcript of it.
We have difficulties with certain engineers wanting to print just huge bones. And so you gotta let them down gently and be like, sorry, you need to shrink it down a
It's okay, Jack Ryan. Let me make a door stop.
bit.
It says whole door on it.
Great.
In the 3D printers, so
He'll let you make a door
on
yeah.
on a serious note,
Yeah.
sometimes it would be nice to have an extra pro shop member.
Not a student.
Yeah.
Okay. That was specifically knows everything about the machines and stuff like
Yes.
that. Yeah.
Just because sometimes
We don't always know.
we don't always know everything, and we want to give a good service.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, I mastered that now. I think I might be able to do it, but I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I could think of something. Maybe a better way to check out, maybe faster way to check out stuff in the window. Sometimes that gets kind of cluttered. I know you guys write post-its and stuff, but I know you guys don't want people walking in with tools. That's
Which
probably
is
how that
fair.
started,
I
right?
agree with that.
Yeah.
No, I don't think we've lost a few items, but it's
What
been
have you
more
lost other than tape and glue?
well, we lost a file.
$10
I don't know. I
out
think
the
they're just
door,
they're just worried. They're
What
just
are we
worried
gonna
of
do?
losing stuff. So it's not but they're trying to get a whole new system in. So, but the whole
Cool.
So tool checkout. That's
Oh,
probably
tool
that's probably the
checkout.
only thing I can think of that maybe could use work.
Okay. What about you guys, people who work here? Is there anything else you guys? You don't like the people who work here? No, they're not your type of people.
That's my problem.
that's why he hangs
Yeah,
around
we
here all
hate
the
you
time
too.
too.
So he wants everything to be
why he's
automated.
not
Doesn't
here.
want to deal with any kind of real
No
human.
human
Got it. We can make that happen. No.
I don't-
Wait, that could be a futuristic thing that you're trying to implement in.
Yeah.
We need robot
There's a lot of things you could
coworkers.
do.
We need robot coworkers.
It's just
Sorry,
Westworld.
Christian.
We'll get you one of the Westworld
Oh.
robots because that
Let's
premieres
That's a
tonight.
definite,
Oh, that
answer
comes out
to
today,
that,
doesn't
though.
it?
Yeah.
It would be nice if
I'm
we
really
had
excited.
And then everyone else be robots.
things that clean the tables and everything on our own. I hate that as part of our job description. I didn't
Cleaning the tables and
I hate
cleaning
doing
up
the
after.
work.
Like the big
literally,
mess
if you
I've
have
made
the
here.
weekend shift, they leave you a checklist of cleaning literally the entire space, and I was like, I didn't sign up to be a janitor. I'm sorry, no offense, but
Yeah.
that's one of the things I
never get
don't
that
like.
dirty
about it.
though.
What?
True.
They don't, but you kind of still need to, allegedly.
Well, you can quit.
That's a legend.
Wait, you are.
You can put that in your resume.
Janitorial
Clean
services.
makerspace.
Part-time janitor.
Yeah.
So you
I mean, we
mentioned
should get one of those,
workshops. Are those so that's part of your guys' job? Is
Yeah.
there a way that you guys could do those better than
I
you
have yet to
currently
do
do
mine.
them? Okay.
Do what?
My
Workshops.
Really?
Do 4
So I have to do it before.
They expect a lot for how much you get paid.
How much do you get
You
paid?
have to get, like,
well,
do
I don't
4
need to know that.
$10 an hour, but
Yeah, I get paid $10 an hour at my
And I'm a
job.
manager, and
I feel
I
like
don't get paid more.
same.
you don't get paid. I get paid more than you guys.
Are there like tuition
Yeah.
perks and stuff, or is it just like?
You-
I feel like I do
you
less.
you don't have to pay for the student shop.
Student shop fee, but like.
But granted, he's getting paid to sit here right now, so maybe I do more than that.
Yeah.
Technically though, if this is like a non-weekend shift, you probably would just be sitting there because Carl will be around and you have to like do stuff.
Is there
Yeah,
like
since it's just
weekend?
us,
It's more
like-
calm.
Oh, there's no managers around.
There's no
no-
manager around. That's
Who's in
literally-
charge then?
Also, there's not a lot of
Us.
people.
You're just in charge.
Okay.
That's pretty fun.
So if I come back on like Monday or Tuesday, will there be more people here? In
Well, if
general?
there's no one around there and there's nothing to print, there's nothing to like help people with. a
No,
lot of
like
time-
in general though, like the
Yeah, but like we're not.
workload. I'm not saying you're lazy. I'm
Right,
just saying
yeah.
like if I want to get more information for the ethnography, what day should I come back that are not at the end of the week?
Well, I
It's
guess
So it
if
depends on what kind of.
yeah, what kind of are you
information
talking about?
And just talk to anyone. Literally anyone. I'll probably talk to somebody
can
sitting over
talk
there.
To Penguin.
Stop.
He makes a lot of noises
I mean,
sometimes.
it depends on what you.
Administrative stuff.
Yeah.
You'd have to come when Carl or Lennon
Yeah.
are here.
If you want like their outlooks, then maybe coming on weekday would be helpful. If
Okay.
you're just trying to talk to more staff, I feel like we're the same ones that work on weekdays as well.
Yeah.
If anything, they might be able to talk to you less if it's busy.
Okay.
But if
It's
you're looking
usually
for
not.
like people, like students that are working
Yeah, like what's the
there,
objective? You just want to know what
Like-
people are doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What they're using the space for. Like,
go
Well,
ask
I can
Spencer.
tell you about
Spencer's a really
my-
good one.
A lot of
Okay.
people
My
use it to
IoT
sleep.
project.
what's your IoT project? I want to like.